Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Hannah will be sharing her tips and tricks on how you can use specialty nail powders without needing gel polish or a nail lamp. Now, generally these gorgeous powders are used with gel polish because regular top coats can ruin the powder's special finish. However, today Hannah will be sharing with you how to use them without needing gel or a lamp.
Hi, it's Hannah, so why don't we jump right into it? Start off by applying a base coat. It doesn't have to be anything special, so any base coat should do. The first powder has a unicorn/mermaid-esque finish, so for this I'll be applying a white base color. You want the surface to be slightly tacky before applying the powder. Do a fingerprint test and gently press down. If it makes a fingerprint without smudging, you're good to go. Next, dip a foam applicator into the powder and buff it onto the nail. Be sure to not press down too hard so you won't smudge the polish. The lighting really did not do this finish enough justice. It's really pretty in person, like a magical iridescent unicorn. Cleaning up the powder can be a little annoying since it does get everywhere, so you can brush off some of it with a fan brush and clean up with a brush and remover. But I really like using a piece of Scotch tape and pressing it onto the skin. Then you just peel it off, and this seems to work a bit better than the other options. So now I'll be applying a black polish for the base color and using a shiny silver powder. Again, I'm going to do the fingerprint test to make sure the surface is ready, then I'll be buffing on the powder. If you don't have a sponge applicator, you can also just use your finger. Another good way to remove the powder is to apply liquid latex and peel it off. Of course, you can also apply this beforehand to protect the skin. I also find that most of the powder comes off after a hot shower. On the middle nail, I'll be applying a holographic powder, which I love. I think this one might be my favorite. For this, I'm also using a black base color. So as Sandy said in the beginning, normal top coats can ruin the really cool finish, so what you have to do is use a water-based top coat first. This one from Little Ondine works great. So once that has totally dried, you can then apply your regular glossy top coat for extra shine and protection. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to check out more videos on Cute Polish, click these boxes and click this circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every Monday. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!